Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Jithin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pulao using soya beans. Without further delay, let's get cooking. So earlier I'd soaked up 150 grams of soya beans in some water for about 30 minutes and I just squeezed out all the water now, and this is how it should look. So now to a pot, I'm adding 4 teaspoons of oil. So now the oil is heated up. To this I'm going to be adding the whole spices of garam masalas, bay leaves, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks. Now to this I'm adding green chilies. Now to this I'm adding chopped ginger and garlic. Now after about 2 minutes, I'm just going to be adding the onions into this. Let's mix all this together. Now I'm just going to close the lid and let the onions cook for about 2 minutes. So I'm just going to take the lid off now. Good. Now to this, I'm going to be adding a bowl of chopped vegetables. I've taken carrots, potato and beans today. Give them all a good mix. Now I'm just adding the soya beans into this. Mix it well. Now we'll add all the spices. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can use any brand of your choice. And salt to taste. I'm going to give them all a good mix now. Now to this, I'm adding a cup of coconut cream. Now I'm just going to close the lid and let all this cook for about 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes, I'm just going to take the lid off. Now the vegetables and the soya beans are cooked. Now we can add the rice into this. So earlier I just cooked some basmati rice in just plain water before. Now I'm just going to be adding this into this. I've fully cooked the rice, so we don't need to cook it in this. Just going to mix all this together now. It smells so good already. Now it's mixed well together. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste. I just need to add a bit more salt into this. That's it. It's ready to be plated up. And there you go, viewers, this is how you make soya bean pilau. Soya beans are a great substitute for meat because they are high source of protein. I'll see you next time with a new exciting video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. If you've liked the video, share it with your family and friends as well. Until then, this is Jithin signing off.